Hi friends, welcome back to Learn with Emnet. Today I'll show you how to use CapCut as a beginner. Whether you're editing videos for storytelling, tutorials, or AI animations, CapCut is a powerful free editing app, and I'll walk you through the basics step by step. And hey, if you stick around till the end, I'll share another free editing app that's also beginner-friendly and super useful for AI or storytelling videos. So, don't miss it. Let's get started.
First, download CapCut. For Android, go to Play Store and download your CapCut. For iPhone, use the App Store to get your CapCut downloaded. If you are on a laptop or PC, open Google Chrome and search for CapCut for desktop. It's completely free. Yeah. Once installed, open CapCut. This is what the interface looks like when you launch it for the first time. Yeah, so CapCut allows you to do a lot, from text to speech, framing long videos, adding AI effects, and even recording your screen directly. Just tap the record screen button when you are ready. But for now, let's focus on starting a project. So, tap Create Projects. This is your main editing workspace. You will see several tabs like Media, Audio, Text, Stickers, Effects, Transitions, Captions, Filters, Adjustments, and more. So, let's start by importing clips. Click Import and select Video Files. You can select multiple at once, just like I'm doing now. Then drag them into the timeline at the bottom. When you drag your first clip in the timeline, CapCut automatically adjusts the canvas size. If it is not 16:9, click the ratio button and select the correct aspect ratio, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok. Along the timeline, you will see tools like Split, Delete, and more. Shortcut for Split is B. Just click over each icon to see what it does. To split a clip, either click the split icon or press B on your keyboard. Then press A to return to your normal selection tool. Right? So now, to add animation, select your clip. Click Animation. Choose an animation. Avoid any with the diamond icon. Those require a pro version. Want slow motion or fast motion? Click Speed. Drag the control left for slow motion or right for fast motion. Then to color grade, click on your clip. Select Adjust. Use tools like brightness, contrast, saturation. There are other colors here. Just adjust them properly. Avoid pro features marked with a diamond unless you are subscribed. Keep the colors balanced. Too much editing can make the video look off. When adding your colors, make sure you add your colors properly. Yeah, the red, the yellow, the green, adjust them properly. To add sound, you can import your own or use CapCut free music. Make sure you are connected to the internet to access their library. Once you choose a sound, click the plus to add it to the timeline. To add text, click text, choose from text templates. There are even ready-made templates for subscribe, like, and more. Or select default text. Edit your text in the box. You can also animate how the text appears in and out. Okay, like I said earlier, here's the extra editing app I wanted to share. It is called Adobe Rush. It is really easy to use, works on both phone and computer, and perfect if you want to edit your videos quickly. Try it out when you can. It's another great tool to add to your content creation kits. Yeah, and that is it. Now you know the basics of using CapCut as a beginner, from importing clips and adding animations to text, audio, and color grading. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to learn with Emnet. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you all, and God bless you.